अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Myself Ansari Safiya from Department of Physics, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Dear student, today we have to study packing fraction. Packing fraction is defined as the ratio of volume of atoms occupying the unit cell to the total volume of the unit cell relating to that structure. The packing fraction is equal to number of atoms in a unit cell into volume of each atom divided by volume of unit cell. The packing fraction gives us an idea about how closely atoms are packed together in a given crystal system. A low value of packing fraction indicates loose packing of atoms and there is more unoccupied space. A higher value of packing fraction indicates that the atoms are very closely packed in a unit cell. The packing fraction for some cubic system can be obtained as follows. First one is simple cubic system. For simple cubic system, the number of atoms per unit cell is 1. The radius of atom is r and edge length of the cube is a. Now volume of unit cell is equal to a cube. If atomic radius r is equal to a by 2, then volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi into r cube, that means a by 2 cube, equal to pi a cube divided by 6. Therefore packing fraction is equal to 1, which is number of atoms per unit cell, into pi a cube divided by 6, which is volume of one atom, divided by a cube. A cube is volume of unit cell, equal to pi by 6 is equal to 0.52 or 52%. Only one polonium at a certain temperature exhibit this structure. Now simple cubic structure is loosely packed structure. Now second one, body centered cubic system. Elements like lithium, sodium, potassium exhibits this structure. Now for body centered cubic system, the number of atoms per unit cell is 2. Atomic radius r is equal to root 3 by 4 into a. Now volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, that means root 3 by 4 into a cube, equal to pi a cube root 3 by 16. Therefore packing fraction is equal to 2, that is number of atoms per unit cell, into volume of each atom, which is equal to pi a cube root 3 divided by 16 whole divided by a cube. A cube is volume of unit cell. Now simplifying this equation, we get root 3 pi divided by 8 is equal to 0.68 or 68%. Now BCC structure is closely packed structure. Third one, face centered cubic system. For this system, the number of atoms per unit cell is 4 and atomic radius r is equal to a divided by 2 root 2. Therefore, volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube means A divided by 2 root 2 cube. Therefore, volume of 4 atoms is equal to 4 into volume of 1 atom equal to 4 into 4 pi by 3 into A divided by 2 root 2 cube equal to pi a cube divided by 3 root 2. Hence, packing fraction is equal to pi a cube divided by 3 root 2 into a cube equal to pi divided by 3 root 2 is equal to 0.74 or 74%. Copper, aluminium, lead and silver have this structure. Now, from above three cases, it is found that in a simple cubic system, 52% space is occupied by atoms while empty space is 48%. Thus, in this case, atoms are loosely packed. In BCC system, 68% space is occupied by atoms and 32% is empty space. Therefore, in BCC system, atoms are more closely packed as compared to simple cubic system. In case of FCC system, 74% space is occupied by atoms and 26% is empty space. Hence, in FCC system, atoms are more closely packed as compared to simple cubic system and body-centered cubic system. Thank you.